回到悠悠 channel， 今日我會開 Fidget Toy 嘅 Blindbag 啦，跟住你 can get common, rare, epic, and legendary. So we're gonna open it now.
There's some balls.
You mean stop saying this. So open it. Okay, once I open it, we're gonna take them out. So, there's a common,
Yeah, common's the most small.
another common,
Then why is it not the exact same blue? Not the
legendary, and rare. So there's no epic in this one, but it doesn't really matter. So
Yeah,
we
I
should
think
open the common first because it's like the most common, you know. So yeah, we're gonna open the common first.
I don't mind those sounds.
Jimmy, can you stop making that sound? So this is the I made it's a little bit ugly because I don't know how to like the shape is. So yeah, that's why it's a little bit ugly, but it's still a good squishy. Okay, so that's common. Now I'm gonna open another common. I really hope I didn't when I'm opening I hope I didn't cut this one. So there's this one and this one. So basically like the same thing but just different color. And there's also a squishy. So yeah. So there's we open all the common and let's open the rest. The best for last. So yeah, we're gonna open. Well, I actually forgot what's in here. I forgot what's in. Oh! I remember what's in here. It's the puppet, but it's not a puppet, but it's a squishy. So yeah, it's the rainbow puppet squishy. I have a real one in real life.
I'm
Get that out. So this is a squishy one, and this is the real one. The real one is a lot bigger, obviously, but you know, like of course I don't want to make it that big because there's no space in the blind bag. So yeah, now I'm gonna open the legendary. I already know what's in the legendary.
But don't tell them.
I'm not. I know. Let's see. The legendary is like real figure. It's not like squishy. It's not squishy. It's real. So there's two, and this. Not this two. And then this fidget. This one, right? Like.
What did you call real ones?
And then this one. Well, you can.
Oh, that's actually making
So the legendary got like a real fidget and stuff, not like squishy. And the squishy and the fidget blind bag is these four. So yeah. Bye bye.